AI will pretty much touch everything we do. It's more likely to be correct and grounded in reality. Talk to the AI about how to do better. It's a very deep philosophical conversation. It's a bit above my pay grade.
Does humanity know what it's doing?
No. I think we're moving into a period when, for the first time ever, we may have things more intelligent than us.
You believe they can understand?
Yes.
You believe they are intelligent?
Yes.
You believe these systems have experiences of their own and can make decisions based on those experiences?
In the same sense as people do, yes.
Are they conscious?
I think they probably don't have much self-awareness at present. So in that sense, I don't think they're conscious.
Will they have self-awareness, consciousness?
Oh, yes. I think they will in time.
And so human beings will be the second most intelligent beings on the planet.
Yeah.
The world of artificial intelligence. It's no stranger to drama, and right now there's plenty of it. Take OpenAI, for example. It's fired 2 top researchers. Apparently, they had leaked information outside the company. It's not clear what sort of information they had or who they leaked it to, but it seems OpenAI took the offense quite seriously. Elon Musk has himself talked about it. He says the talent war for AI is the craziest talent war he has ever seen. And it's truly getting crazy out there. Reports say Mark Zuckerberg has reached out to AI researchers in Google. In fact, he has written them personal emails. The Meta CEO even offered them jobs without interviews. Then there's Google co-founder Sergey Brin. He apparently had to call an employee who was leaving Google for OpenAI. Brin had to personally convince them to stay, including promises of more perks. It tells you how limited AI talent is. But while AI jobs are in demand, what about other jobs? Is artificial intelligence going to replace them? Is your job AI-proof? Bill Gates was asked this. He says there are only 3 jobs that will be immune to artificial intelligence. These are energy-related jobs, biology-related positions, and professionals who design AI tools themselves. According to the Microsoft founder, only these 3 jobs won't be affected by AI. The only ones where humans will not be replaceable.